Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Getaway with Pam, and today we are unboxing a new pair of shoes from Fitville. For most of you, you have probably watched my review about Fitville shoes that I had before. This is the second pair that I owned. I really like it. That's why I actually bought this one. Although they gave me another pair which I was wearing when I went to my Europe trip. And yeah, I really love these shoes. The comfort, affordability, and the style as well. The outsole is shock absorption and responsive. It has anti-slip and super sturdy for walking or exercise. Fitville shoes are comfort technology, recovery power, arch and heel support. It has this breathable upper which allows your toes to spread out and stay cooler. This is a high rebound flexible outsole and absorbs any shocks from walking or running. These removable insoles have enough arch support. It is 10mm in the back and 5mm in front. I love the cushioning. Even if I walked all day, it doesn't hurt my feet. This breathable fabric material and this wide toe box that gives my toes plenty of room to stretch naturally. I highly recommend the shoes if you are on your feet all day. If you are diabetic, you have bunions or issues on your feet, this is perfect for you. So if you'd like to check this out, I'm gonna leave the link on the description below and also the link of my previous review. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share if you can. Thank you and God bless.